In today's video, I bring to you a most simple, easy yet most powerful yoga asana which you can perform on a daily basis to get rid of your belly fat, especially your upper belly, lower belly and your side belly fat. It just looks terrible. Not only will this yoga asana help you to get a flat belly, but it will also help you to improve your digestion, to increase your blood circulation. It also improves the function of your reproductive organs. And finally, it also tightens and tones your abdominal muscles. What more can you ask from just one simple exercise which you need to perform sitting in a chair? It's completely beginner friendly and you're not supposed to exert yourself at all. So this very ancient and powerful asana is actually the Chakki Chal asana from yoga. But today I will be teaching you the modified version, and in English it is called the milk churning asana. And the biggest advantage of this modified version is that you can actually do it sitting in a chair, be it anywhere. Your office, your home, your own comfort zone, sitting on a couch. All you need is a chair. So now no more excuses that you can't get a flat belly because you don't have time. You can actually do this asana and achieve all the results to finally get a flat belly. So the first rule to do this exercise is that you should be on an empty stomach. At least 2 hours before doing this exercise, you're not supposed to eat or drink anything. So I suggest you do it first thing in the morning. The second rule is to keep your spine absolutely straight but not stiff. Yes, and the third rule is that you have to keep your arms absolutely straight and not bend your elbows. But whenever we go forward, we have to exhale, and whenever we come backwards, we have to inhale. Keep these very simple and very easy rules in mind, and you'll sail through the beginner, intermediate and advanced level that I'm going to show you of this very exercise. So let's begin the exercise. For that, you need to sit at the edge of the chair, keep your spine straight, your core tight, and we are also going to spread our legs about this distance, measure it. And now we are ready to do the exercise. We have to lock our palms like this, absolutely tightly, no bending your elbows. And we are going to make a big circle. Make sure your elbow is always either beyond or above your knee, and it's not going to be here. So make a big circle, as big as you can. So when you're completing the circle, make sure you come as forward as you can, make a big circle and go as further back as you can. When we are going forward, we have to exhale. When we come back in the normal position, we have to inhale. And no, you're not going to do it very fast. You'll do it slow and absolutely steady paced. So now you've completed the beginner level successfully. I hope you could feel the stretch. Let's take it a notch higher and do the intermediate level. I hope you're following along with me and doing it just at my pace with the right breathing technique. Let's go to the intermediate level. So to graduate to the second level, you must spread your legs forward and you must put your toes in. Not out, but your toes should be in. And now you're going to do the exact same pose with your back straight and your arms and shoulders all in line, not bending elbows, just like this. Let's do it together. Well done! You've successfully completed level 1 and level 2. Let's take it a notch higher. I know you can feel the burn, but let's make it burn even more for that belly fat to finally move and shift out of our way. Let's take it to the advanced level together. I hope you're doing this exercise with me and with the right breathing technique. Now for the advanced level, we're going to sit in the chair and we're going to spread our legs like this with our toes pointing inwards. And then we're going to make a complete circle just like we did earlier and then lift our legs up. Let's do it together. So I hope you enjoyed today's 1 minute easy exercise with 3 different variations. I'm sure sweating and you will be too. Don't forget to follow along and do this very exercise every single day. Don't forget to follow the rules. And also one more very small thing. If you want to see faster results, don't forget to club your exercise routine with a healthy eating pattern. Throughout the day, have 3 balanced meals and don't forget to have 2 healthy snacks.